know me, I don't do the sauces. Welcome back to the channel. Everybody that's new subscribers, old subscribers, if you here, like, comment, subscribe. Send it to somebody that's gonna send it to somebody that's gonna send it to somebody. This vlog is gonna be pretty much a day in that life. Fitness, food, things around Dallas. I'm going on a boat Saturday, so we're gonna jump right into it. Hey, first things first, time to kickstart the day with that gym workout. Ingredients, man. Hey man, on my way to get these miles in at the Katy Trail right now. These miles in, then we right to the gym, man. Gym work right after this. Cardio first.
This one I bet you will me, I no get tired. Dada cover my face, calling me big man we do me, I no get tired.
End the week, man. End it hard. Each and every week, man. Hey, man, fresh out that gym. Still sweating for real. And that gym just hit different. It just hit different. Gotta get them good habits in you. Good routines, cardio, waking up, making up the bed, man. Getting active, man. Get a little sweat in for the day. 30 minutes to an hour, that's all you need. 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not saying do it every day. Gotta do something, man. It make you feel better. Health is wealth, man. That's all I got, man. You know, after the gym, gotta get some food, fresh out the shower. Let's get it. My way to this spot called Thai and Vegan, or Thai Vegan, so I'm starving, so I'm about to get all of it. I think that's like a drunken noodle. I'm gonna try some vegan food too. See what this place talking about, man. Gotta get the drunken noodle. Shrimp hazel roll. I ain't never had one, but we gonna see. Joints, corn cake. Got the basil wrap, peanut butter sauce. We gonna see what that tastes like.
You have a nice one.
Oh, thank you.
It's so tiny. That's my first time saw it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Yo.
Let's see, man, what this tastes like. What this hit on. It's sticky. A little bit of peanut sauce, you vegan. If you know me, I don't do the sauces. I know they ain't just compliment them flavors like solid 8. Gotta get the drunken noodle. They said spicy levels 1 out of 5. You know what I got. 5 balls, you feel? They started off high with that was pretty decent. Let me know if y'all eat Thai food, man. Corn cakes, sweet and sour sauce, so we'll see. Gotta try it without the sauce first. Pretty good right here. Gotta get a mile in real quick.
Beginning workout.
Boat vibes, man. Y'all know what's going on. We finna get jiggy in here, man.
This one I bet you me, I know get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that back out. Big man waiting, what's it going?
It's really my off day today, but since I'm getting on that boat today, we gotta get that work in. A little workout, you feel me? Get the muscles warmed up. 4 hours, so about to get a smoothie, some food, chill back, man. I'm gonna show y'all this boat later. Let's get it. Got the little matching fit on there, you feel me? No, I gotta put the Noloski on. I always be stuck, like keep the waves out, put the hat on. This the boat sauce. Grapes, you feel me? Pineapples. Water, and we A-okay.
This one I bet you me, I know get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that back out. Big man waiting, what's it going on?
We just land on the boat, man. You feel me? Finna get jiggy, man. See what's going on.
This one I bet you I know get time.
What's on, man?
We get it active, y'all.
Hey, don't forget the suit.
You gonna fall? Yeah. 23, we outside, boat parties keep going. We've been doing it
Every year.
21.
Oh, man.
Every year.
Quick photo shoot for him. You feel me? You know what's going on, man.
We in Dallas. It's not even a holiday weekend. It's a regular weekend and we live because that's just what we do.
This one I bet you me, I know get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that back out. Big man waiting,
Hey, man, fresh off the boat. It's a good time, man. Every time is a good time. Another good one. So, good summer boat, man. We gonna get busy.
This one I